The 2025 BMW X3 is a refined and capable luxury SUV that offers a compelling blend of performance, technology, and style. This latest generation builds upon the strengths of its predecessor, delivering a more refined driving experience and a host of new features. Design asterisk. The 2025 X3 features a more aggressive and modern design, with sharper lines and a larger kidney grille. The interior is equally impressive, with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, offering ample room for passengers and cargo. Performance asterisk. The X3 is available with a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a turbocharged 6-cylinder. Both engines deliver impressive performance and fuel efficiency. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, making the X3 capable of handling a variety of driving conditions. Technology asterisk. The X3 is packed with the latest technology, including a large touchscreen display, advanced driver assistance systems, and a premium sound system. The iDrive infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, offering a wide range of features and functions. Overall asterisk. The 2025 BMW X3 is a well-rounded luxury SUV that offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and technology. It's a great choice for families and individuals who want a practical and stylish vehicle that can handle everything from daily commutes to weekend adventures. Key features asterisk. Asterisk stylish and modern design. Asterisk powerful engine options. Asterisk advanced driver assistance systems. Asterisk spacious and comfortable interior. Asterisk premium features and technology. The 2025 BMW X3 is a strong contender in the competitive luxury SUV segment. It offers a compelling package that is sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers.